How long does it take to make money online? Let's start from the beginning. But before I say any word further, there's a disclaimer. There's no guarantee that you will make money after watching this video and listening to me. I use examples and the end results will be totally based on your experience, your circumstances, your performance and your dedication. There are 3 elements to this question which I will discuss in this video. Firstly, we will look at timeline to success. Then we will look at what it costs, the earnings if you want to be successful. And lastly, the human element. As we all know how the shiny object syndrome is taking over our world without any results. I can promise you, I've been in that boat and I've been on the waters, drowning myself, never reaching the rainbow with a big pot of money. I think because all of you are watching this video, I think you know exactly what I mean. There's no quick scam, there's no quick reach, there's no press button, but let's talk further. We all have a lot of platforms and we all are on social media. But if you want to be successful, choose one platform. Yes, one, and focus on one. As you grow, you can move on to your other platforms. I am currently using YouTube. It's free, it works perfectly well, and I found most of my customers are quality and following me. Fiddling around with all the others will just reduce your enthusiasm, output and results. If you're watching this video, I know you have a business in mind with an idea, a plan and what you want to do. Remember, this will take time, depending on your skill sets, your background. If you're like me, definitely not an IT person, everything takes me time to unravish it, to understand it, and then, if I know how it works, only then I can continue. As I know this, I plan in advance for this additional time frame when I do something or start with something new. Remember, learning to build a website, a landing page, creating content, using social media, everything will take time. Responsibilities will slow you down. We all have other responsibilities, families, working, and we must remember, if you have a full-time job or a family or social life, maybe personal issues and many more, this will slow you down. So we can't really put a time frame around how fast you can make money. And this will have an impact on your time building your business. You need to consider this if you want to do an online business. Attitude. This is very important. You need to have a positive attitude. Be matured, be honest, sensible, and willing to learn to do work. If you're always complaining, blaming others, do not like to work, then maybe this is not the business for you. I've been in your shoes. I know what it takes. Yes, it gets easier, but only after you added your time and dedication to build it up and get everything set up. If you can do this, you can stick it out. In a few months' time, you will have a successful business. I'm a living proof of that. I had bad times, the sad times, even crying times, but my why was too strong to let me quit. So here I am, still going strong and getting results. Most people give up just before they get over the last big hill. Once you're over the hill, it's all downhill, easily. Remember, you and a computer can make money. It all depends on how and when. I will give you 3 scenarios from my own experience, and then you can decide which one do you prefer. And even in the scenarios, there's no real time limit because we can't put a time limit on how long it will take. The first scenario, this is quite safe, slow and steady. And usually all the beginners want to start here. This is quite a lot of work to get to the end. But this works. I can tell you, I've been doing this. It takes time. This will cost you $50 to $100 per month. And this is what I'm following. And as I said, it works. But most beginners want to see fast results. They don't want to wait. This is too slow. And really, although it's the best process for a beginner, I have quality customers and definitely an honest, trustworthy channel with evergreen content on my website. Because I was waiting. I was doing it the slow and right way. But still, I needed a little push. There were some obstacles in this example. Aggressive, risky, steep learning curve. This is where everybody wants to jump in. This can take anything from 1 to 2 months before you see your first sale. Well, newbies like to jump into this. Very, very risky. This involves Facebook, YouTube and other adverts. And you pay for adverts to get your product out in front of people. This will cost you $300 to $500 per month. Quite steep to pay if you're new and you don't even know if it's going to work. Much higher risk as the other option that I just mentioned. And you do not know how long it will take. You will make your first sale in 1 to 2 months. This method is very dangerous and you can lose a lot of money. This is not what I will suggest for any beginner. Ask me. I've been there, done that, lost money without real results. This can work if you know how to do it, but for newbies, definitely not the option that I would suggest. Now, option 3 of the examples. Less risky, reduce stress, reduce time to the first sale, but you can supercharge it. This is the third option, which I can recommend, as it's a combination of option 1 and 2. I've just given you the examples of option 1 and 2, so now you can see this is less timey, less risky, no stress, and you won't lose as much money as in option 2. I talked about and wished I knew this strategy before I wasted time and money. But well, I'm not here to complain. I found this and now I'm currently working on strategy 3. This is safe, proven option and removed a lot of stress from me. It's much faster than the first option, so you do not get bored waiting for sales and wondering when it will happen. If you have someone helping you, guiding you on how to do the paid traffic to your website, which you already have built and in place, you can boost your blog post to your website and this will bring more traffic and you will be successful. Long term, this is achievable and this works all the time. You are building a real business. You will have to learn different skill sets and you need to learn how to do this as fast as possible. With the cornerstones of the business and your work, you are building trust and you have evergreen posts on your website that you can promote to your quality audience. I'm currently in this option with a wonderful mentor supporting me, teaching me the ropes not to make the same mistakes I did before. I'm growing my business faster than expected and I can see the positive results and I would like to share this with anyone who wants to start a real, legitimate business. Having a mentor makes this more acceptable and achievable, and I know I have a second income online to support my financial situation. I hope this gives you some insight in what you can do and how you can start your online business. Although I cannot really say how long it will take. I hope you understand that this is all up to you. Your work ethic, commitment and dedication are the most important factors. Making money online can be fun, and you can build a business and do what you love. You can also see positive results and rewards, and this will make everything worthwhile. If you have the right audience, you can do this and you can become successful. See you in my next video.